Friends, I am Ishwar from Singapore. I am a business consultant and employment consultant. Today we will see what is a personalized employment pass issued by the Singapore government. It is called PEP in short, personalized employment pass. Before we see what it is, we will look at who are all eligible for it. Usually, high earning individuals are targeted for this pass. Suppose the foreigner is already working in Singapore on an employment pass, his salary should be at least 12,000 Sing dollars per month minimum. And if he is not working in Singapore but he is working in some other country, then his minimum salary should be at least 18,000 Singapore dollars. And he should be working for the past 6 months at the time of application if he is in a foreign country. Okay, that is the salary requirements. Okay, secondly, what exactly is personalized employment pass? Normally employment pass issued by Singapore government, it is usually the application is made by the employer who is going to hire the candidate. So the application is made by the employer or the appointed employment agency. And once it is approved, he starts working for the company. So that is the normal thing. But in the case of personalized employment pass, there is no employer. This is quite surprising. See, the purpose is to let the candidate get a personalized employment pass and he can have the flexibility of staying for 6 months in Singapore looking for a job. He need not land a job before applying. Once he applies and gets the PEP approved, he is allowed to stay for 6 months in Singapore looking for a job. So within 6 months he should get a job. If he doesn't get a job, the PEP will lapse and he has to go back. Okay, so now what is the application process? Usually the application is not made by any employer. The application is made by the candidate himself or any employment agency hired by the candidate can do this job. Especially if he is a foreigner, he is not in Singapore, he may not have the Sing Pass facility which a employment pass holder in Singapore may have. So in that case, they can approach a employment agency to apply on their behalf. Even those working in Singapore on employment pass also, they can approach an employment agency for professional assistance. So there is an application fee of $105 payable. So the application is made online. Before that, you should keep ready your documents like passport, your qualification certificates, your pay slips, your income tax notice of assessment, everything you should have on hand. So that once you start applying, you get the application form first and you print it out and sign it, fill in and sign it and scan it and keep ready for uploading. Also, there is a payment of $105 to be made, which you can make online payment and take a screenshot, print out and upload that along with all the documents. So that completes the application. Another alternative is we can also fill in a manual application and submit at the post office. Of course, this they are going to stop very soon. Everything is going to be online. And there is one more requirement for applying for a personalized employment pass. That is, you need a local person, a Singaporean or a PR, to stand as the local contact for you. So you should get in touch with somebody who can stand as the local person for you. So once the application is made, it will take about 8 weeks for processing. And once the application is approved, as usual, you will get an in principle approval. And you have to go for issuance of the pass, whereby either an employment agent can do for you or you can do personally. You have to visit the MOM along with all the documents and then give your fingerprint, photograph, everything, and make a payment of $255 for the issuance. Then they will send out the card to some address And again you have to provide some local address where you are legally staying. You cannot just give any address. That address should be legally approved by the housing board or whatever it is. So that is another requirement. So altogether, everything will complete by 8 weeks to 9 weeks, and then you can also apply for dependent pass for your wife and children, and also for your parents you can apply for long-term visit pass. So that is also permissible. So the maximum period they can give the PEP is only 3 years. There is no renewal. After 3 years it will lapse. And suppose you get the PEP, you are allowed to stay here for 6 months without any job. Keep looking for a job. And suppose after 1.5 months you find a good job. It should be, of course, 12,000 plus salary. So there is no need to apply for any new employment pass. You just send a notification to the MOM that you have got a job in this company. This is the designation, this is the salary they are offering. Just intimate MOM, that will do. And if you are quitting the job for some purpose, again you intimate MOM, that will do. And as far as the company is concerned, they don't have anything to do with you. Suppose you are resigning, what they will do is they will inform the income tax department that such and such a person working with us on a personalized employment pass has submitted his resignation. So the IRAS will ask them to withhold the last month's salary, and then they will compute the income tax and inform the company. The company will settle the tax, and then if there is any money left, they will pay you the last month's salary. So that is the overall picture of PEP. As I told you, the charges are $105 for application and $255 for issuance for single person. So again, if it is for dependent pass or long-term visit pass, there are small fees to be paid to the government. And after 3 years, definitely it will not be renewed and it comes to an end. Meanwhile, you can keep on switching jobs during that period. There is no issue. And also there is a liability on your part. Every January, you have to submit a return to the MOM about the salary drawn in the previous year. That is a mandatory requirement. So these are the requirements and features of the personalized employment pass. So if you need more information, you can just send me a message through this YouTube channel at the comments column. You can also forward it to anybody else who may be interested. Thank you very much for watching.